17 best free shed plans that will help you DIY a shed. Popular Mechanics has a great free shed plan available for a 6x8 shed that would be perfect for lawn equipment and gardening tools. Anna White has designed this free shed plan that uses cedar fence pickets to create a shed that costs around $250 to make. You'll impress everyone in your neighborhood by using this plan to build a backyard shed that you can drive your riding lawn mower right into. This free shed plan will build you a 7 feet by 8 feet board and batten shed. This plan at Build Easy gives you everything you need to build an 8x10 storage shed for your yard. This free shed plan builds a 10x10 Gable shed. It's a great plan with lots of explanations and many illustrations to keep you on track. The free shed plan here was designed with a budget in mind, but you wouldn't know it with the attractive design that features arched windows and a custom door. This free shed plan is for a storage plan in the style of a one-room schoolhouse. It's a large shed at 10x12ft, and has double doors, a covered entry, and fiber cement siding. Here's an interesting plan for what seems to be a small shed, but you can easily modify into a smokehouse if you like. Here's a free shed plan for a very small shed that's only the size of a closet. It may be just what you're looking for, though, if you simply need a place to store some basic lawn equipment or gardening tools. 7 pages of shed plans will help you build a narrow, 7 feet wide by 4 feet deep shed for your backyard. After you're finished with this free storage shed plan, you'll have an 8x8 Gambrel storage shed that can be moved in the future if need be. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.